Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the paint condition and choosing a removal method. This determines tools and safety. Put on gloves, respirator, and goggles, and ventilate the area so fumes don't accumulate. Lay drop cloths and tape off trim, then test a small panel with your chosen method: chemical gel for delicate areas, coarse sanding for thick coats. Start at a corner. Apply stripper or sand lightly in controlled passes. Keep the work area organized so you can focus on steady, even removal without rushing. Once the stripper has softened paint, work methodically. Lift softened layers with a plastic scraper and brush residue into a disposable container. If sanding, begin with lower grit to remove bulk, then transition to higher grit to feather edges and eliminate ridges. This prevents visual steps under new paint. Make overlapping passes and check contours frequently. For recessed areas, use hand sanding or a detail sander. Clean surfaces with a solvent wipe so you know when bare metal or primer is exposed. This ensures. To finish, remove all dust and solvent residues using a degreaser and tack cloth. Allow the panel to dry fully before priming. Address low spots with thin body filler, sand flush, and re-clean. Small pinholes can be filled and sanded again. Mask surrounding areas and apply primer and light, even coats to avoid runs. If paint later peels or lifts, stop, strip back to sound substrate, thoroughly clean, and lightly scuff with 320 grit before reapplying primer. This correction prevents repeat failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.